Apple's new homeOS might debut next week at WWDC. WWDC is always packed full of Apple software reveals, and this year the expected iOS, iPadOS, macOS updates and more might be joined by a brand new platform, homeOS. Here's why. Trademark filing for homeOS could hint at WWDC debut. Although WWDC always focuses primarily on software, Apple often uses the conference to debut new hardware too. 2 years ago, the Vision Pro's big reveal happened at WWDC, and many years have brought new Macs. Back in 2017, the very first HomePod made its debut at the conference too. I believe there are a couple of solid reasons Apple may show off its forthcoming HomePad product at WWDC this year. But whether the HomePad makes an appearance or not, a trademark filing reveals we might just see its software HomeOS debut next week. As discovered by Parker Ortolani, the term homeOS was submitted for a trademark on April 16, 2025, just a few weeks ago. The filer, Home Operations Suite LLC, very clearly appears to be front for a larger company, and the trademark's classification shows how Apple could be the secret source. Those classifications include computer and software product as well as computer and software services. Two options for a homeOS appearance next week. The details of this trademark filing and its timing hint at a possible homeOS appearance at Apple's biggest software event of the year. Apple could launch or at least preview its new HomePad product, and homeOS alongside it. Being the only hardware announcement would give HomePad a big spotlight, and Apple could have a developer angle for the new OS. But there is a possibility too. Even if the HomePad is MIA, Apple might still have a developer related reason to debut HomeOS. While the company wouldn't show an OS that has no announced hardware tied to it, they might rebrand tvOS or current HomePad software using the new name. In this scenario, we would get a glimpse of features expected for the HomePad by hearing about what's coming to Apple TV 4K or HomePad via the newly branded HomeOS. Whatever the case may be, Apple truly is launching HomeOS sometime this year. WWDC remains the best place for software announcements, so here's hoping we get to see a HomeOS appearance on Monday. Do you expect Apple to reveal HomeOS at WWDC? Why or why not? Let us know in the comments.